Disclaimer: this video is not intended to promote underage drinking, and I'm not sponsored by anyone. Thank you. Hi, YouTube fans. This is Nukashka. Welcome to Nook's Kitchen. Today, we're going to do something different. We're going to be reviewing some wine that my husband and I have with our dinner, at home. We are going to be talking about four different wines. And guess what? You're going to love the price of these wines. We have, what's this one? We have 50 Provence Sauvignon Blanc. And then we have 50 Provence Cabernet Sauvignon. And then we have Côte du Rhône Blanc and Côte du Rhône Rouge. And this is from Marc Bonadieu. Okay, so these four bottles, guess how much they cost? Under $5. I mean, I'm even embarrassed to say that we are drinking cheap wine. You heard that right? Under $5. Okay, the first wine that we are going to taste is a Spanish wine. It's called 50 Provence Sauvignon Blanc. This is year 2023. According to the winemaker, they say that it is bright with floral aromas punctuated with citrus notes, crisp and light, bursting with tropical notes of grapefruit and kiwi, and a bright finish. This Sauvignon Blanc is perfect with pastas and seafood, and it over-delivers in every way. I totally agree. It over-delivers in every way. So let's see. I have to taste it, don't I? Okay. First, I'm going to swish it to release the aroma. And then I'm going to smell it. It smells good. And I'm going to taste it, and then I'll give you my opinion. It's delicious, delicious. And I can taste the grapefruit and the kiwi. It's very light, and it's medium bodied. It's not sweet, but it's got that little sweetness to it. If you like dry wine, which I do love, I love dry wine, but I also like this. It's not, like I said, it's not overwhelmingly sweet. It's just, you can taste the sugar. But overall, I give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay, the second wine that we are going to taste is the 50 Provence Cabernet Sauvignon. This is supposed to be a very good wine. Again, Spanish wine. The red version of the one that I just tasted. According to the winemaker, they say that it is a bright and fresh, opens to a lovely palette of wild strawberry with a hint of rose note. Sounds good. Rich and brown with a beautiful finish. Pair this easy everyday Merlot. Oh no, this is not a Merlot. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon with roasted meat or have on its own. They're using the same tagline. This wine over delivers in every way. And I actually haven't tasted it yet. We have had it with our dinner, but I forgot what it tastes like. So I'm going to taste it right now, and then I'll let you know my opinion. Okay, first I swish it to release the aroma, and then I'll smell it. I can smell the do I smell uh, strawberries and a little bit of rose. Now I'm going to taste. Mm. Um, well, I have to admit that this is not my favorite. It's a little, it leaves the aftertaste in my mouth, and it's a little sour, a little tangy, not a good sour. So having the wine by itself like this without the food, um, uh, you're going to get the feeling whether you like it or you don't, because I mean, there is no added taste to it. Um, so I would give this wine maybe a 3.5, which is still not bad for a red wine uh, of this price. So last night I had this wine with my dinner, and I had spicy Asian foods. I found that it tasted pretty good. So bottom line is that this wine is better with food than by itself. Um, I'm changing my rating from 3.5 stars to 4.5 stars. I tasted the tannins. I'm reading from my notes, okay? So I tasted the tannins, which leave a rich, dry sensation on my tongue, slight bitterness, and complexity in the wine. The next wine that we are going to review is the Côte du Rhône by Marc Bonadieu. And this is a 2023. It is pretty good. This is a go-to wine that my husband and I have with our dinner quite often. Okay, let's taste it. I like it. It's very delicate. I can taste the apricot, the peach, and the honey, and it's quite dry, surprisingly enough. And I would say this wine is pairing really well with seafood and ham or grilled pork. The It displays the aromas. I mean, it's rich. So I would give it I like 4.5 stars. So that's what I'm going to give it, 4.5 stars. I'm going to have it with fried oysters this evening for dinner. Our next wine is the red version of Côte du Rhône by Marc Bonadieu. And forgot to let you guys know that the Côte du Rhône is the region is in southeast France. And this wine is rated really high, both online and again by us. We love it. Well, let's give it a taste. Mm, I like it. I can't say no to wine. It's delicious. Mm, I like it. It's good. This wine has an oaky fragrance to it, which I really like. And I tasted a little bit of raspberry, kind of the berries, raspberries and strawberries and dark cherry. Uh, it's very delicate, and it's um, nice, dry. I think I would enjoy it with a piece of steak. So I'm going to give it a 4.5 stars. It's good value. In summary, I think all of these four wines are good value. Um, for under $5, um, I mean, it's excellent. I mean, it's great wine. Price is cheap, but expensive taste. And you can find them at Total Wine. So don't go out to Total Wine and clear up their shelves like I did. Guilty as charged.